welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. As usual, let me start by congratulating you for taking your first step towards positive change. If you are always on the hunt for self-development and self-growth, you are in the right place. Today, we are taking a hands-on approach to boost your leadership self-confidence. In this video, I will guide you through a powerful coaching exercise designed to unlock your full leadership potential. Whether you are just starting your leadership journey or looking to level up, this exercise is tailor made to help you step into your confidence zone. First, let's create the right environment. Find a quiet, comfortable space and grab a notebook or your favorite note taking device. This journey begins with self reflection. Self awareness is our foundation. List your strengths, achievement, and what makes you a unique leader, what you have accomplished until now. It's time to confront your confidence blocks. What holds you back? Is it fear or failure, perfectionism, or self doubt? Visualization is a game changer. Close your eyes and imagine yourself as the confident, inspiring leader you want to be. Now, let's craft empowering affirmations and mantras to boost your self-confidence. Goals gives us directions. Set achievable leadership goals that align with your newfound self-confidence. Confidence comes from action. Craft an action plan to achieve your leadership goals. Don't be afraid to go far away. Share your goals and action plan with a trusted friend, mentor, or coach who can hold you accountable. That concludes our self confidence building coaching exercise. Remember, confidence is a skill that grows with practice and time and patience. Keep revisiting these tips and watch your self confidence soar. That's a wrap for today. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Before we close this video, hit that like button if you found this useful. And don't forget to subscribe to find out more. Don't forget that you can book a free session with me. See you in the next video.